Okay, so now we're going to take a look at how to create hyperlinks. So I'm going to create a new document. And maybe I'll start naming these in conjunction with the videos. We're on video 24, so this will be 024 hyperlink. And I'm going to create a new index page, index, and then I'm going to create a new page about. Y'all need to tune in now, you hear? We're learning something new. I've created 2 pages, Henry and Angel. Henry and Angel and Richard and Salvador and Z and M. I call people their first letters when I can't pronounce their names. Because all y'all come from a culture that I ain't familiar with. It's like when people come and try to pronounce my last name from China, then McLeod, they don't get the L. Different culture. It's all right. I'm not offended. Same thing happens with me. Some sounds my mouth just don't make. We have 2 pages. Do you see that, Henry? Mm-hmm. You see that? Henry, Salvador, Richard, Alpha, Alvin, Angel. You see that, Angel? Yeah. Cool. So I've got 2 pages. Right now I'm at the About page. Here's the index page. I'm going to do an anchor tag, A. Anchor. Where do I want it to go? I want it to go to About. And go to About. I'm going to change this one to Index. And I'll do H1 Index. All right, this is the index page, and you could go to About. Here's the About page. And I'm going to do H1 About. And at the About page, what do I do for an anchor tag? A. And I could go to Index. And go to Index. Okay, so now when I reveal in Finder, young man. I reveal in Finder, I could go to About. I could go to Index. I could go to About, Index, back and forth. Okay? That's an anchor. That's a link, hyperlink. It's anchor tag. So that's how we do a link in HTML. That's it.